Hello everyone, this is Shram from LearnAcon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the firmware version of your Siemens Simatic PLC. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why the firmware version matters. The firmware isn't just a number buried somewhere in the hardware. It defines the actual capabilities of your CPU. Features like communication options, supported instructions, security enhancements, diagnostic functions, and even the performance improvements are all tied directly to the firmware level. In many cases, certain TI Portal hardware configurations will only work properly if the CPU is running a compatible firmware. And here is another practical reason. If your PLC ever fails and you need to contact Siemens technical support, one of the very first things they will ask for is the CPU model, the exact part number, and the firmware version. Without that information, troubleshooting becomes just a guesswork. So in this video, I will walk you through the best way to find the CPU firmware version. You can actually find the firmware version in several different ways. The first one is the most obvious. It's printed right on the CPU package box. But there is a catch. If the firmware gets updated later, that printed version is no longer accurate. Another option is checking the front display if your CPU has one. It will be displayed on the bottom right corner of the overview screen. That works well on the bench, but once the PLC is installed inside the panel, the display might not be visible or the enclosure might not be accessible at all. So the safest and most reliable method, and the one that I'm going to show you now, is checking the firmware over the network using TI Portal. This way, you always get the live actual firmware version directly from the device. Alright, let's dive into it. Okay, here I have my TI Portal open in the portal view. For checking the firmware, you don't need to create any project. You can simply click on the Online and Diagnostic and then click on the Accessible Device. And then from the dialog window, you can choose your PCPG interface, which is PNIe or Profinet Industrial Ethernet in this case. Then you select your network interface and then click on the Start Search. This will scan the network and identify the CPU. If you have multiple CPUs, make sure you pick the right one. You can use Flash LED feature to identify that. When you find your CPU, just highlight it in this table and click on the Show button. This will switch the TI Portal to Project View. And in the device panel, under your network interface card, you will find your CPU displayed with its IP address, and underneath that you find Online and Diagnostic. Double click on that to open the window. And it will open the window with information live from the CPU. As you can see, we are online with the CPU. This bar is orange. And on the general page under the module section, we can find all the details of the CPU, CPU model, part number, and firmware version. You can also extract the serial number of the CPU from the manufacturer information section. Okay, that was it. I hope this video helped you with TI Portal and Siemens PLC journey. If you found it helpful, please support this channel by subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.